Hello dear owners, this is Alessia from the accounting team here at Palm Tree Properties with a short explanation video about your end of year package for 2024. I will be briefly showing you where to find the package documents issued on your owner portal, what the package includes, and we will be reviewing 1099 form as well as the report we issued, which is called end of year 2024 statement, listing your income, expenses, and adjustments, if any. I really hope this video helps to better understand the reports and the numbers we are showing on your 1099. So let's first take a look at where you find the documents. We have posted end of year package for 2024 on your owner portal in Rentline. You will need to log into your owner portal and go to the Files tab here on the left hand side. Clicking on the files, you will see a package called End of Year 2024 package. And opening the package, you will see all the documents. So that includes 1099 form for 2024, which we'll be reviewing next. Then you will see end of year statement for 2024, listing income, expenses, and any adjustments for all your properties. We will also briefly review that. Then we have compiled all work orders for 2024 for all your properties and units. You will find a separate folder for that. And if you acquired or sold any property or unit with Palm Tree Properties in 2024, you will see a sales-related documents folder. If this is not applicable, then you will not see this folder. All right, let's begin with the first and a very important form, which is the 1099. I will switch to the form itself. So this is an example of a form we issue. Please take a look and review some important sections. First of all, it's issued for calendar year 2024, and then you will see recipient's TIN, which should have the last four digits of your taxpayer ID. Could be your social security number or EIN. Please review your taxpayer's name, that it is correct, and the address should be also your residential address. All right, so this is a personal information we kindly ask you to review. And then very important section is the income we're reporting, which will be listed here in the rents section. Here I would like to mention two important things. First of all, we are required by the IRS to report the gross income for all your properties or units in 2024. So the number you will see here is the gross income for your properties, rental income, Section 8 income, or any other taxable income will be reported here. And a second very important thing is that we're required by the IRS to also include any prepayments into 2024. And a quick example here is that if your tenant paid in December 2024, for January rent, right? But if they physically made a payment in December, this income has to be reported for 2024, even though it's supposed to cover January charges. However, our system recognizes this as already reported for 2024, and it will not be reported for 2025. It will be deducted from reporting for the following year. So this is a 1099 form and important things to take a look at. Now let's take a look at the next report we issued to actually support the number we are showing on the 1099, which is called End of Year Statement Report. We issued this report per property, so you will see multiple columns if you have more than one property. You will see that it's issued for the entire year, and then you will see your portfolio name. In this specific case, we have two properties, so the income and expenses are listed per each property and then summarized in the last column called total. Important sections here are the income. You will see all taxable income listed per each line, so it's always by default your rent income showing per property and then summarized. If you receive any Section 8 income or any other maybe pet rent or any other taxable income, you will see that listed here and per property. The next section is expenses. This section is important for you when you work with your CPA towards any adjustments or tax deductions, because here you will see different categories of expenses, again per property. Typical ones are utilities, water, landscaping, maintenance, cleaning, repair, and so on. Last but very important section is called adjustments. This is where you will see any prepaid rent or prepayments. If it has to be included in 2024 reporting or deducted, it will be listed here. In this specific example, prepayment is a negative number, which means this was already reported for this portfolio for the previous year. So the system is deducting the prepaid amount for 2024 reporting. In some instances, you will see a positive number of prepaid rent, which means this prepayment has to be included into 2024 reporting. And once again, a great example here is when your tenant pays in December 2024 towards January charges, but if the payment actually comes in December, it has to be reported for 2024, but it will be excluded from the next year's reporting, just like in the case in front of us. All right, and then what is shown on your 1099 is typically a total of all taxable income as a gross number, unless there are any adjustments needed depending on the prepaid rent, which is listed in this section. In this specific example, the number in green was total rental income. However, there was a prepaid rent that needed to be deducted. So going back to 1099 form, the difference between two numbers is actually what's being reported on 1099. So in case you see that your total income is not what you see on what's reported on 1099, please take a look at the adjustment section for any prepaid rent. Once again, these tax documents and any end-of-year documents have been posted to your owner portal in the files section in end-of-year 2024 package. You can easily access and find them there. We really hope this video provides more clarity and helps better understand what documents have been issued, why these numbers are reported. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for your attention and have a wonderful day.